This place is one of the restaurants that serve authentic Kuwaiti food here in Kuwait. So if you're craving for a real and authentic Kuwaiti food, you come here. Freej Swaileh, fattoush salad. Fattoush salad consists of tomato, cucumber, chopped lettuce, and fried kubus. Kubus is this one, but they fried it. And it has a lemon vinaigrette. It's good, it's sour, it's maasim. This is a lentil soup. It's really lentily. Lentily doesn't know. It's lentily. This is a chicken mashbush. It's cooked with the biryani rice with Arabic spices. The sauce, dip it like that, and you eat it. And it's yum.
The food here is priced really good. Chicken mashbush is 2 KD. Lentil soup is 1 KD. Fattoush is 1 KD. Hummus, I think it's 1 KD for the hummus. They included the gerger and what are these called? And these things. But anyways, we're gonna go back to eating our food.
It's really good. It's been so long since I eat real Kuwaiti food.
I'm finishing off the meal with some gawa. That is Arabic coffee. Cheers, guys.
Guys, with all the food that we ate, look how much we paid. 6KD 300.
Here's that truck. Alright guys, that was some traditional Kuwaiti food. It was awesome, and best of all, it was cheap.
All kind of Arabic sweets, a lot of selections. They all look good. Gusto ko to, puro chocolate. I want these, it's all chocolate.
Garaiba mukassarat.
There you go.
Garaiba mukassarat.
يلا هيا هذا بالعيال.
This is yum.
قريبة حمص.
Garaiba hummus. Garaiba hummus.